Hello friend, in this video we consider another method of partial differential equations non-linear in P and Q. The second method of this is z equal to px plus qy plus f of p comma q. Then its solution is, we have one line solution. Its solution is z equal to ax plus by plus f of a comma b. We have substituted a p equal to a, q equal to b in place of p and q. Now consider example. Solve z equal to px plus qy plus p square plus q square. Then its solution is z equal to ax plus by plus a square plus b square. Consider another relation. Z equal to another problem, px plus qy plus 2 into under root of p and q. Then its solution is z equal to ax plus by plus 2 into under root of p comma p into q, its solution. So this is a very simple method. Now we consider another method of partial differential equation, that is third type, f of z comma p comma q equal to 0. In this method you can see that the equation do not contain the terms of x and y. Therefore here we assume let z be a function of u, which is function of x plus a y. Then easily del u by del x equal to 1 and del u by del y is equal to a. Then p means del z by del x, but z is a function of u, we have considered single variable. So del z by dz by du into del u by del x. Del u by del x is 1, so it is converted into dz by du, and q equal to del z by del y equal to dz by du into del u by del y. Del u by del y is a, so a into dz divided by du. If we put these values in the given function, we have f of z comma dz divided by du comma a into dz divided by du equal to 0. So the equation is converted into ordinary differential equation, and which is easily solvable. We know how to solve the ordinary differential equations, various methods of solving ordinary differential equations. Now consider example. Solve p into 1 plus q equal to q into z. Now we have to put p equal to dz divided by du. 1 plus q means a into dz divided by du equal to q means a into dz divided by du into z. Dz divided by du, dz divided by du get cancelled. 1 plus a into dz divided by du equal to a into z, or a into dz divided by du equal to az minus 1. This gives us a into dz divided by az minus 1 equal to du. On integrating, integration gives us log of az minus 1 plus log of c equal to u. So what is u? U equal to x plus ay equal to log of c into az minus 1. This is the solution of this differential equation. Okay, now let us see one more example. Solve p into 1 plus q square equal to q into z minus a. So friend, here this problem already contain a, and therefore here we assume a equal to u equal to x plus by, and this gives me del u by del y is equal to b, and value of q will be b. Here we have b. Okay, therefore p equal to dz divided by du 1 plus q square, 1 plus q square b square into dz divided by du whole square equal to q b into dz divided by du into z minus a. dz divided by du get cancelled. 1 plus b square into dz divided by du whole square equal to bz minus ab, or b square into dz divided by du whole square equal to bz minus ab minus 1. b into dz divided by du equal to under root of bz minus ab minus 1. b into dz divided by under root of bz minus ab minus 1 equal to du, or integration gives u equal to, integration of this is nothing but twice under root of bz minus ab minus 1. Okay, here we consider the integrating constant here in this side c plus to simplify this. Okay, now squaring on both sides we get u plus c whole square equal to 4 into bz minus ab minus 1, and substituting the value of u, we have 4 into bz minus ab minus 1 equal to u means here x plus by plus c whole square. So this is the solution of this differential equation. Now friend, you have seen how we can solve this differential equation of these types. Thank you friend, thank you for watching the